Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this class we want to look at the solutions to the test on what problems relating to simultaneous equations. So in this, we have about 5 questions we want to solve. Alright, the first question says number n is subtracted. So you have to be very careful when interpreting this. So that's one thing about it. So a number n is subtracted from twice m. That is, n is subtracted from twice m. That is 2m. So that is twice m. N is now subtracted from that is minus n. So the result being 35, that is equal to what? 35. Then the sum of 4 times n, that is 4 times n, and sum means plus, and twice of n, that is 2n, is equal to 60. So the question asks you to find n and n. You'll see that this is a simultaneous equation. So what we're going to do here, you can use any method of your choice. So from the look of things here, substitution method will be preferable because the coefficient of n here is 1 in equation 1. So we'll just say in 1, that is equation 1, make n the subject of equation, So that means, so equation 1 now, which is 2m minus n, is 35. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this to this side and bring to this place, because this is minus. By the time it gets to the what? Plus. So that means we're going to have 2m minus 35 equals to n. So which we can rewrite as n equals to 2m minus 35. So this will give us equation 3. We got this from equation 1, so we have to substitute this in what? In equation 2. So we now say put 3 in what? In 2. So what is equation 2? Equation 2 is, let's look at it here. So our equation 2 is 4n plus 2m, 4n plus 2m equals to 60. Is that correct? 4n plus 2m. Okay, 4n plus 2m. So in that case, wherever we see n, we're going to put this there. So that's what it means. So let's drag this down. Alright. So that means we're going to have 4 into brackets 2m. That is, n now will be replaced by this. That will be 2m minus 35 equals plus 2m equals 60. So we open this bracket. This will give us 8m minus 35 times 4. That is 140. Alright. That is 140 plus 2m equals to 60. So this we had, let's call it like terms. That is 8m plus 2m equals to 60 plus 140. So this is going to give us 10m equals to 200. Divide both sides by 10. So this cancels this. So that means m equals to what? 20. Alright, m is equal to 20. So it remains n. So we're going to substitute this in equation 3. And equation 3 is n equals to 2m plus minus 35. So that is, we're going to substitute that. So that we're going to put m equals to 20 into what? Into 3. So the 3 is what? 2n equals to 2m minus 35. So that means we're going to have n equals to 2. M is 20 plus 20 times 20 rather, minus 35. So that gives us 40 minus 35. So therefore n equals what? 5. So we can therefore say that m is equal to 20, then n is equal to 5. And that is option B. Option B. Alright. So we move to question 2 now. Alright. Move to question 2. For question number 2, so we have the cost of one orange and two apples is 24k. Two oranges and three apples cost 44 kobo. So how much does each cost? So let's interpret now. The cost of one orange, that is, let's say let's orange be, let's say R, and then apple be A. So cost of one orange, that is R, and then plus two apples 2A is equal to 24, right? And then the next one is two oranges, that is 2R, and then three apples plus three apples, 3A equals to 44. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2, alright? So that means let's now look at what we're going to have there. So we're going to solve this simultaneously. So from here as well, you can make use of substitution method because the question of R here is 1. So you can say in equation 1, in 1, make R the subject of formula, right? So that means R will then be equal to 24 minus 2A. This will give us equation 3. Alright, so we now put 3 in what? Into 2. So what is our 2? Is 2R plus 3A equals what? 44. So from here now, we can then have it to be 2, we put 3 into, so that's going to be 2 into 24 minus 2A, right, plus 3A equals to 44. So let's open this. This will give us 48 minus 4A plus 3A equals to 44. So when we collect like terms, these and these are like terms, that is minus A equals to 44 minus 48. So that means minus A equals to what? Minus 4. Therefore, A equals to what? 4. So minus will cancel minus. So since we've known the value of A, so we can then put R in the value of A in equation 3. So we then put A equals to 4 in equation what? Equation 3. And our equation 3 is R equals to 24 minus 2A. So R equals to 24 minus 2A. So that means R equals to 24 minus 2 times 4. I hope I'm making sense. Then R will then be equals to 24 minus 8. Therefore, R is equal to what? 16. So which means that, so orange is 16. Orange is 16 kobo, while apple is what? Is 4 kobo. So that is orange is 16 kobo, apple is 4 kobo. That's option C. So we go to question number 3 now. So the most important thing about this topic is for you to be able to interpret very well. So if you don't know how to interpret, that will be a very big problem. So for question number 3, in an isosceles triangle, in an isosceles triangle, in an isosceles triangle, that means you must draw it before you can uh, be able to get it. So we have this. So this is an isosceles triangle. So two sides are equal in an isosceles triangle. So each base angle is given to be 36. So this angle is 36, and this is also what? 36 degrees. So this is the base angle. So that is the two angles that will be equal at the base angles. Now, oh sorry, let's go back. So it's sorry for that. Just a mistake. All right. So this is This is an isosceles triangle. So we want to interpret it. So in an isosceles triangle, each base angle is 36 degrees more than the angle at the apex. So let's say this the angle at the apex is A, and the base angle, let's say it is B, they are going to be equal, PB. So they are not saying that each base angle, that is B, is equal to, is 36 more than the angle at the apex. That is, the angle at the apex is A plus 36 degrees. Alright, so find the size of each angle. So this is all we have here. So find the size of each angle. Now the next thing is that uh, sum of angles, you can't do anything this way. So this is going to give us equation 1, right? Now sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So that means A plus B equals to 180 degrees. So that means A plus 2B equals to what? 180 degrees. So we call this one equation 2. Alright, I hope I'm making sense. So since the B here is already the solid of formula, we just put 1 into what? Into 2. So then we put the value of B to be this in equation 2. That's going to be A plus 2 into brackets A plus 36. Instead of to write B here, we put this one equals what? 180. So that means we're going to have A. So we open the bracket 2A plus what? 72 equals what? 180 degrees. So A plus 2A gives us 3A, which is equal to 180 minus 72. We collected like times A. So that means we have 3A equals to 180 minus 82. 180 minus 72 is going to give us 108. So we divide both sides by 3 by 3. Right? So 3 we cancel 3. So 3 here is 3. Remember 1, 3 and 18, that is what? 6. So we have what? A to be what? 36. 36 degrees. So having known the value of A, which is the one at the top, with 36, what would then be the value of B? So we now go, if we go to the first question, the first equation, which is B equals to A plus what? 36. I hope I'm making sense. So that means B will then be equals to 36 plus what? 36. Alright, so that means B will be equals to 72 degrees. So the angles are, so the base angles which are just 2 is 72 degrees, 72 degrees and 36 degrees. So I hope that is very clear. So that is going to be option B there. And if you add all these together, you're going to get 180 degrees. So move to question number 4 now. For question number 4. For question number 4 now. So what we have here, the cost of one book and 2 biros is $28. One book. So let's book B B and biro BP. So the cost of one book, that is B plus 2 biros, that's 2P equals to $28. If Laddie buys 3 books, if Laddie buys 3 books, that's 3B and 2 biros plus 2P, so and gets $4 as $4 change from $50. So which means we paid 50 minus 4. So which is going to be 46. That is $46. That's what it means. So from here as well, we can use elimination method here. So because we have both coefficient of P here to be the same number. So minus will go. So we subtract. So that means 3B minus B will give us 2B. So 2P minus P, then 46 minus 28. 46 minus 28 minus 28 will give us what? 18. So divide both sides by 2 by 2. So that's going to be B equals to 9. B is equal to 9. So that is first step. So we know the cost. So the question is how much will 5 books and 2 barrels? Because we need to get the value of barrel. So now we are going to put B equals to 9 in equation, let's say equation 2. So what is our equation 2? Equation 2 is 3b plus 2p equals to 46. So we now put the value here. So that means 3 times 9 plus 2p equals to 46. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 2p equals to 46. We collect like terms. That is 46 minus 27. So that is going to give us 2p equals to 46. 46 minus 27 gives us 19. Gives us 19, right? Okay. So that means divided by 2. So p equals to 19 all over 2. But the question asks us to find that value of p. So value of b is 9. The question to find how much will 5 books cost. 5 books and 2 Bibles. So 5 books plus 2p. That's what it means. So 5 times 9 plus 2 times 19 all over 2. 2 cancel 2. So this is 45 plus 19. So that's going to give us 64. So the price is $64. That is option D. How this is very clear. So everything still boils down to what? Interpretation. Then number 5. So the sum of ages of a man and his wife is 73. So let's say the man is M. Man is equal to M. Wife is equal to W. So the sum of their ages, that is M plus W, is equal to what? 73. Alright. Now, 8 years ago, that is 8 years ago, what will be the age of the man? That is M minus 8 years ago. So the man will be M minus 8, and your wife will be W minus what? 8. Alright? So the man, 8 years ago, the husband, which is M minus 8, was twice as old as the wife. Twice, that is 2 the age of the minus 8. So from here now, so we can then, this is equation 1 here. So equation 2 will then be M minus 8 equals to, we open it out with 2W minus 16. So we can bring everything together to be M minus 2W equals to minus 16 plus what? Plus 8. Plus 8. So that will give us M minus 2W equals to what? Minus 8. This is equation what? Equation 2. So let's bring the two equations together. M plus W equals to what? Equals to 73. So let's solve, this is equation 1. Let's solve them together and see what we're going to have. So we can use elimination method as well. So we subtract. So in subtraction, we are going to have subtract this from this. So that gives 0. So 2W minus W, that's minus 3W equals to minus 8. Minus 8 minus 73, that gives us minus 81. So we divide both sides by minus 3 by minus 3. So this will give us, so minus cancel minus 3 cancel 3. So minus cancel minus. So 3 here 1, 2, and then the 2 and 21, 7. So the woman's age is 27. So we can then substitute, put W equals to 27 in equation 1. So in equation 1, so equation is M plus W equal to 73, right? So that means M plus 27 equals to 73. That is m equal to 73 minus 27. Alright, that means m equals to 73 minus 27 gives us 60. Sorry, 73 minus 27 gives us 46. So 46, the man is 46. The man is equal to 46, and the wife is equal to 27. So 46, 27. So that is option A. I hope this is very clear. If you find this video useful, don't forget to give us a very big thumb up.